Welcome to a quick walkthrough on showing your online status to everyone on WhatsApp Web on PC with the latest update. If you've ever wondered how to let more people see when you're online, this guide will walk you through the exact steps so you can stay connected without confusion. First, open WhatsApp Web on your computer by navigating to web.whatsapp.com and scanning the QR code with your phone. Once you're logged in, you'll see your chats on the left and your list of conversations on the right. This is your control center for adjusting who can see your online activity. Next, locate the gear icon to open settings. The gear is typically found in the upper right corner of the WhatsApp web interface. Click it to reveal the settings menu, which houses options for privacy and visibility that affect how others perceive your online presence. From there, select privacy. This is where WhatsApp groups your visibility options into a few key areas. Look for the last, seen, and online setting, which governs when others can see you are active on WhatsApp. Tap or click on it to proceed to the visibility choices. In the last seen and online menu, you'll see a few options for who can view your status. Choose everyone to ensure that anyone who has your number or can find you in chats can see when you're online. This setting applies whether you're actively using WhatsApp Web or just connected in the background. After selecting everyone, confirm your choice and return to your chats. The change takes effect immediately, so you'll notice your online status is now visible to all contacts, groups, and anyone who can reach you on WhatsApp Web. If you ever want to revert this, simply follow the same steps and choose a different option, such as My Contacts or Nobody, depending on your privacy preferences. A quick reminder, making your online status visible to everyone can increase your connectivity but may impact your privacy. Monitor how you use WhatsApp and adjust settings as needed to balance convenience with personal boundaries.